Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clicker Heroes. To begin, simply click on the monsters to defeat them and collect gold. Use this gold to hire your first heroes, who will automatically deal damage for you. Continuously upgrade your heroes to boost their damage output and progress through the zones. Eventually, you will ascend to gain Ancient Souls, unlocking powerful permanent bonuses. Effective hero management is key to progression. Focus your gold on upgrading your primary damage-dealing hero, as this provides the most efficient power increase. Always unlock new heroes immediately when they become available, as they offer valuable damage multipliers. Remember to purchase their unique skills at levels 10, 25, and 50. Reaching hero level 200 provides a substantial damage boost. Ascension is a core mechanic for long-term growth. When your progress significantly slows, typically around Zone 100, it is time to ascend. This grants you Hero Souls, which are crucial for purchasing and leveling up Ancients. Ancients provide powerful, permanent bonuses that dramatically increase your damage and gold gain. For idle players, focus on Ancients like Cieladas and Argave. To truly optimize your game, decide early if you prefer an active or idle playstyle. Active players benefit greatly from using an auto-clicker to maximize their damage output. Joining a clan is highly recommended, as it provides valuable rubies and transcendent power. For the very late game, Transcending offers an enormous, game-changing power increase, pushing you to even higher zones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.